Today's video is a very bittersweet video for me because it is my very last unboxing of any type of BoxyCharm box, which this is not a real BoxyCharm box. It is my last BoxyCharm by IPSY. I am done. It has been canceled. I am over it. Let me show you what was in this box. Hey howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. I am just so sad that BoxyCharm is no more. Well, it hasn't been anymore for quite a while now, but I mean, it doesn't even say BoxyCharm. Oh, well, there it does. I have the items that came in the box along with some add-ons. And I said in my Shop My Stash that I was going to do a no-buy for August, but I forgot that this would be my last opportunity to do any type of shopping, so I did pick up a few things. It comes with the little hoo-ha pamphlet newspaper thingy that this time actually does have a little bit of information about some of the products. It's not customized to my box, but it does have some of the products in it. The first product in the box, look at Biscuit stretching. Y'all say hi to Biscuit in the comments. The first product in the box was chosen for me. This is the Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Toner, and I love a good toner. I actually use a toner twice a day. This is what the inner packaging looks like. This retails for $42, and I'm looking forward to giving this a try to see how it does. The next product in my box was chosen for me as well, and this is the Violet Voss Berries and Cream Dreams, and this palette retails for $37. It is a 10-pan palette, and it is very, very pretty. It went on very nice. I did not have any problems with it. The shimmer shades I attempted to put on with my finger and had a little trouble with that actually. Also trying it with a dry brush, it did not go on as easily, but as usual with a shimmer shade, if you spray it, it goes on very nicely, and I really like this palette a lot actually. So I'm looking forward to continue to use this, and we'll probably use it in the morning when I get ready for work. The next three products I chose. The first one is this Mitchell and Peach English Growers. This is Flora #1. I think that says #1 Body Souffle. And this retails for $40. And it says it's light and easily absorbed. It probably has a seal on it. It does. Let's take that off because you know I have to smell it. That's what that looks like. This is actually 100 ml, so that is a nice size product. And it is very creamy and it smells wonderful. Very nice. It is a souffle for sure. It's kind of thick, but it did blend in easy, and I can tell that it did a good job moisturizing my hand. I can tell a difference between the two hands. It does smell nice. It's not a very heavy fragrance. I don't like things that are heavily fragranced. I also chose this set of brushes. These are Beauty for Real, and I used them when I was putting on my makeup. We have a powder brush and a complexion brush. This is a nice shaped brush to put on your complexion products, your foundation, and very nice powder brush. Both of them performed very well. I have no issues with them. I didn't necessarily need any more brushes, although I'm not sure you can have too many. But I chose them because I was not real enthused with what the other choices were. Let's see what the price of those brushes are. $42 for 2 brushes, but I'm happy with them. And the last product in my box that I also chose is this Dew of the Gods Dreamquake Lavender and Chamomile Relaxation Body Scrub. And this retails for $22. It says, how to use. Scrub me all over during your pre-bed, bath, or shower with whatever pressure feels right. For a deeper exfoliation, try using me dry first. I really like Dew of the Gods products, so I'm not unhappy to have chosen this product again. I chose it because I was not enthused with what the other choices were, but I do love this brand. So those are all of the products in my very last, did I say products correctly? BoxyCharm by IPSY, and the total value of my box came to $183. I cannot speak properly. That's because I'm just devastated. I am devastated, y'all. I am not happy that there is no more BoxyCharm. So the value of the box is there. I'm not real sure what IPSY is charging for BoxyCharm. I had paid for BoxyCharm, I believe, for a 6-month period. When it was still BoxyCharm, I had bought the premium and the base box for 6 months. And when that transferred over, there was no more base box, so they took that base box money and put it towards the BoxyCharm by IPSY price. I want to say it's $28, $30, I'm not sure. The value is definitely there. I am just not, it's not the same as what it was when BoxyCharm had it. The products are not the same. The experience is not the same, which is big for me. And the shopping of the add-ons and that is not the same. The prices are way more expensive now, and the quality of the choices has gone down. I did pick up a few add-ons because I knew that I was going to cancel, and I have canceled. And I wanted to grab a few things while I still had the opportunity to. I got this Anastasia Beverly Hills stick blush, and I am wearing that. It's very, very soft. This is Soft Rose, and this is what that looks like. I got this very reasonable. I want to say that I might have paid about $10 for it. It's a very pretty color. Shade. It's a very pretty shade. I really like it. I did not like the brush that comes with it. It made it difficult to blend out, although it's blending out much better on my hand than it did on my face. I much preferred putting the blush on a complexion brush and putting it on that way. I could have gone a lot heavier with it, and I probably will, but it was my very first time using it. I got these kits, these things that I can't pronounce, because they are like satin scrunchies, and I love scrunchies. I throw them in my purse because when I'm at work, sometimes depending on what I'm doing, I never know when I go to work what I'm going to be doing for that day. Sometimes I am able to stay in my office. Sometimes I have to help the housekeepers or security, and I get hot and I need to throw my hair up, and these are great for that. They don't tug and pull and break off your hair, and I love the colors of these. They look really nice. And I think they were like $3 a piece. And then they had this LYS, y'all know I love my LYS products, blush, and I did not have this shade of blush, and I think that I paid $10 or $12 for this as well. Love the aesthetic of their packaging. It's super cute. This is Passion. And like I said, I did not have the shade. It is very, very pretty. I am going to get my brush. This is what I used for that Anastasia. It's It Cosmetics. Love is the foundation. It's a foundation brush, but I never use my brushes exactly how they were intended. I use them however I want to. Ooh, that's very pretty. Let's see if I can do this just looking in the camera. Oh, look how pretty that is. I love these LYS blushes. They are so easy to put on. They are very highly pigmented. Very nice. Look at how pretty that is. Super easy. Very, very pretty and very natural. I think they just look super natural. I love them. Let's get the other side. I can't believe that I'm actually able to see how to do this just in the camera monitor. See how easy that was? That's so pretty. So pretty. I'm super happy with that. Very, very nice. Love these. If you get the opportunity to try out any of the LYS products, I highly recommend it. That is my very last BoxyCharm by IPSY. I have been very sad that BoxyCharm went away. I am not sad that BoxyCharm by IPSY is going away. I'm not trying to be negative about it. This subscription box just does not work for me. But if you want to try out a subscription box, I'm going to say to go for it because, like I said, $183 value for a box that you spend $25, $30 on. You're definitely going to get your money's worth. I'm not sure that you're going to get all of the products that would suit you, but it's still something to experience if you want to give it a try. Thank you so much for hanging out with me while I say bye-bye, BoxyCharm by IPSY. Before you go, make sure you show that like button some love, and as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.